So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove glare from your images in one click without any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do so just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for cleanup.picture. Once I do that, I just simply need to hit enter. It has also pictures, not picture. Once you do that, here it will ask you to upload your picture. For example, let's upload a picture. Let's say this one, it don't have any glance, but let's continue with it. Now here, it will ask, here you're gonna see a eraser image that you can use to find all your glare in your images. And once you clean it up all, you can directly save the image directly to your systems. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.